And see if this time the background will shut the fuck up and not ruin this. Abby happily eating away with mommy, watching the sunset. Kinda looks like a dinosaur or a giant lobster pincher. Like a giant claw or giant mouth that's open or something. I give up. I can't stand hearing the sounds in the background. I'll get a few more seconds in case it goes down very quickly by then. Those little clouds almost look like a pair of eyebrows, but no face. Unless you want to count the sun being orange, and I guess it could be Bert from Bert and Ernie without eyes. Abby, you ready to go inside? I bet they're getting a really great view right now of this. Because I'm sure the sunset looks way different up there. Okay, now I finally give up. I can't hold it anymore. It's too cold, too many mosquitoes.